The site is located in Coatesville, which is a beautiful, idyllic, rural setting about 40 minutes north of Auckland. For the interior of the building, we have gone with a natural materials palette. We've used timber for the ceilings, which bring a really lovely warmth and texture, coupled with textured plaster on the walls, and anchoring the composition with the coloured concrete from PeterFell. PeterFell Colour 155 was chosen for the floors because of its warmth and the way that it tied in with the materials of the brick and the warmth of the timber finishes. The colour of the concrete has got a beautiful, earthy, chocolatey undertone that just really brings a sense of warmth to the finish. And I think that the materials palette works beautifully together to give the home a sense of being grounded within the context, within the site, and within this rural landscape.